this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a keyboard and mouse on the PlayStation 4 version of Minecraft. The reason why this is so simple to do is because Minecraft has full keyboard and mouse support for the PlayStation 4. For the PlayStation 3, this wasn't true. You had to purchase an adapter, but for modern consoles such as PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, you can easily use a keyboard and mouse. There's no secret to this. So all that you have to do is grab usually a wired keyboard and mouse combo and plug them into any of the available USB ports on your console. Like I said, there's no secret to this. So first, connect the mouse and then connect the keyboard. I recommend doing it in this order. You should already be able to navigate through the menus on the console, and when you open the game, you should get a cursor and the keyboard will be working as well. If they aren't working, restart the game and you can try connecting them in a different order. So you connect the keyboard first and then the mouse second instead of the opposite. Now, if you don't have an available USB port on your console, either because it is not working or because it is occupied, I recommend purchasing a USB hub. As the name suggests, this will give you a hub of various different USB ports. So essentially, you use one USB port available on the console and you will get a bunch more in exchange. Of course, this isn't needed. As long as you are able to connect the keyboard and the mouse, you are good to go. There's no secret to this. PlayStation 4 supports them natively. If you are playing on a console that doesn't have native support, such as PlayStation 3, then you will need to purchase an adapter like this one. So you can find these adapters on places like Amazon. For this video, I chose to recommend the KZ adapter, or KX, sorry. And as long as you plug it into your PlayStation 4, you will also be able to use it. But the main way is always going to be reliable. You don't have to purchase anything, and it will work with most keyboard and mouse combos. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.